Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So alhamdulillah, we're here at Nabi Hood, blessed resting place. So we're here inshallah ta'ala just checking all the work out, what's needed the most here. Because the work here has been hundreds of years there's been any work done in this place. And little bits and bats of work has been taking place, but not any major project. So one of our major projects now is to restore and maintain everything out here, Nabi Hood, and rebuild everything here at Nabi Hood, blessed resting place. And inshallah ta'ala, all our work is going to take place in this whole area, starting from the resting place and working outwards inshallah ta'ala. Here they've got other problem like the sewage system is really bad here. They need to replace the sewage system to get rid of all the smell. But we're going to start our work from the top inshallah. And one of the projects is going to be these stairs, and as you can see, hundreds and thousands of people, they go up and down these stairs, and especially when the main pilgrims takes place, from 100,000 saying up to 1 million people attend this yearly gathering which takes place in the month of Sha'ban. As you can see here, this is so dangerous this year. Like all the cement which was at the top is already crumbled off, like you can see here. It's already crumbled off, and these stairs are just completely without nothing on them. And just imagine 100,000 people walking down with the habaib at the same time. And it can get really dangerous, and it's very difficult to walk on as it is, but it can get really, really dangerous, and many people, they injure themselves. So inshallah ta'ala, our main aim is to make all the farsh like this. And this, we're going to tile everything up. As you can see, it's all tiled here, beautifully tiled. This area, this is where someone's made a place where people can drink cold water. And what our main mission is to tile everything up all the way to the top. If you go to the top of Nabi Allah's resting place, it's all tiled up. This is, and it's not even hot here. That here, it was burning my feet. This area. These tiles, we're going to put the tiles are cool, so it doesn't burn people's feet in the scorching heat. And this is exactly how it's going to be. This whole area, you can see from behind there, all the way to the bottom. Hopefully, inshallah, we're going to get these tiles put on, which hopefully are not going to burn people's feet. Look how beautiful this looks in comparison to the rest. Here, this is where the main gatherings take place of Sayyidi Habib Umar and all the awliya Allah. This is where it took place just now, and this whole area was completely full. And we want to tile everything up, level the ground, tile it all up, so there's no like bricks sticking out like this, rocks sticking out that are going to hurt someone's foot and they trip over, inshallah. As you can see here, this is all seating area. This is where the gathering takes place. Even all the way up these stairs, people are sitting all the way up these stairs. But look at the farsh underneath here. It's been hundreds of years that any work has been done here, and people are literally sitting on top of these rocks. So just imagine you're sitting on a 2-3 hour gathering with these rocks right underneath you. You know, it's going to be very, very uncomfortable for all the pilgrims to come here. So our main aim is we're going to make sure this whole area from the top, from the resting place of Nabi Hood, all the way down, all the farsh, all the stairs, everything here is all going to be tiled inshallah. So that's one of our main projects. And this is the place where all the habaib and all the pilgrims, they walk through this place and go straight up there towards the resting place of Nabi Hood. And if you come down here, you can see all these stairs, hundreds of thousands of people. And just even myself, I injured myself on the last pilgrim. And I lost my footwear, I busted my knee in this area here. And I was right close to the habaib too. And so you can just imagine how dangerous it can get. So inshallah ta'ala, our main aim is that we're going to tile all of this up inshallah. Make it safe as possible, make it as comfortable as possible for all the pilgrims. When they come here, they make dua, they worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but in peace, in coolness, and relieve as much difficulty as we can get, so they can concentrate on Allah than to more concentrate on where they're sitting and how uncomfortable they are. And this is going to be a blessed project, my brothers and sisters. Every single person who's going to come on board on this blessed project, how many opportunities are we going to get to serve one of the greatest prophets of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, his resting place? Not many opportunities, my brothers and sisters, will come along like this. So every single person who is watching this video should be given some kind of a donation donation, because this donation of yours is going to stay here till the day of judgment, and pilgrims are going to benefit from this all the way till the day of judgment, inshallah ta'ala. So I appeal to you, my brothers and sisters, open your hearts towards this blessed project of Sayyidina Nabi Allah Hud